Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today I'm showing you a unique idea of converting an old non-stick pan into a cute kitchen decor. I thought to make something delicious that inspire us for cooking, so that's why I'm making this cute candy cake using my homemade ceramic clay. So let's get started. Starting by taking my old non-stick pan. Since it is non-stick, so that's why I'm using sandpaper to make it smooth so that paint can stay on it. If you're here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more such creative videos. First, I am painting the pan using acrylic color and making an ombre effect using turquoise color from light to dark shade, and this become background for our cake. In order to give a 3D effect to the cake, I am using this cardboard box and cutting it into half. Also cutting two pieces from cardboard and sticking it on the first one using glue gun. And this semi-cylindrical box become base for the cake. And now sticking this box with the help of glue gun onto the pan. And it's ready for the clay work. I'm using my homemade cold porcelain clay for this project. So rolling a thin sheet of a portion of clay and sticking it on the box using white glue. Cutting off the excess using a knife. Also adding portions of clay to cover the entire box. And I let it dry. Meanwhile, I am preparing small candies for the cake. First, I am making miniature macaroons by rolling small ball of clay. Using a tool for adding more detail, and in the similar way I make more of them. Now using skewers to make lower portion of the candies. Rolling snakes of clay and sticking on the skewer using white glue. In the similar way I make two more. Now I am rolling snakes of clay to make a lollipop. Adding a piece of skewer to it, and our lollipop is ready. In the similar way I make one more. Now I am making a cute banner for the cake. So I am rolling a snake of clay in the shape of banner and using talcum powder so that clay do not stick to the base. Again using two skewer for the banner and sticking it using white glue. And above it I am sticking the banner. Now it's time to color all the elements. First I am painting the cake using white acrylic color. Painting ribbon with the baby pink color. Painting macaroons with baby pink color, light lavender and light orange. Also adding some shades of white to it. Painting candy with baby pink color and giving some shades of white to it. In the similar way I paint more of them. painting lollipop in lavender and light pink color and giving some shades of white to it. Now I'm writing a quote on the banner, baked with love, in white and golden shade. Also highlighting the banner using metallic gold. Now comes the most interesting part of the video. To give a beautiful glaze to the cake, I'm mixing some talcum powder with glue and also with some water. It should have this much of consistency so that it can easily flow on the cake. Now giving it pink color by mixing white and red color. And our frosting is ready. Now I'm using a spoon to create a drip frosting effect on the cake. I let it set for 2-3 hours, and after 2-3 hours I'm making some holes for the lollipops and candies to stand on the cake. Also using some decorative flowers and sticking it on the cake using white glue. I'm randomly sticking all the elements on the cake. I'm also decorating the background using some stickers. And it's almost done. Giving some final golden touches to the cake, and our cake is ready to enhance beauty of the kitchen. If you like this idea of converting an old pan into a beautiful kitchen decor, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and give your valuable feedbacks. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.